I got PlayStation 5 controller, and as you can see, the L2 button is not working. So in this video, I will try to fix it. The issue is on the conductive film. So let's try to change it. They have two more screws, one here and one there. Let me explain to you guys what I did. So this is version 1 or 2. So this part is not connected here. So I don't need to change this part. I need to change all that. So they have two screws. I need to open them. As you can see, I opened two screws and this part is out. I take this part from donor board. I will put it here and test. If you're interested guys to fix this part, leave a comment. All ribbon cables is back. I just need to return or solder the cable. The controller is ready. It's time to test. And as you can see, the L2 button, it's working. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.